Hey everyone, this is Ron with Music. This is just a little review, not really a tutorial, but this is the Sony compact disc player CDP-CX455. It's a CD Carousel 400 CD player. I've had this for over 10 years, and just recently it stopped working on me. So the issue is I've opened it up already. The belts have stopped, or the belts have broken. They pretty much stretched themselves out to where it just stopped playing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the screws on the sides and the back and remove the top, and we are going to replace the belts inside. Alright, so here we are. We got it open. I took all the CDs out and put some of them back in because I know the belts have been destroyed, but I wanted to see if that's really what it was. So what I did was I grabbed a couple of my wife's hair ties. This is a temp fix, not a permanent fix, but they seem to work. So as you see, it is working, it's playing. This is a temp fix again, but so this is the front of the display. It's working. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna stop and open, just to let you know, even with hair ties, seems to be working. So you see there's the hair ties replacement belts, but I will be removing them and adding the new replacement belts, the permanent fix. Here are the replacement belts. They sent me 3, and of course right here they're explaining 2 of the 3 belts are above, and the 3rd belt is to open the door. Okay, there you see are the hair ties. One is broken as I pulled it out, but giving you a closer look, I opened it up and replaced the belts. So those are the new belts. Now I'm just gonna close it up and see what the results are. Okay, we're back. We got the back all buttoned up and the belts, the new ones, are in place. So we are going to give it a little test. You see it's loaded. CD50. I'm just gonna put the top back on and put the screws back in and call it a day. Peace, love, and God bless. Thanks for watching. Bye.